Hi everyone. Let's see what is the energy around us today. Let's check what's happening with everyone around. Why is it that everyone feeling so insecure right now? What is it that bothering everyone so much? And now there is a very clear energy of insecurity and very clear energy of escaping the situation. The energy shows that people are not in a state of mind to address anything right now. They just want to put it under the rug. Okay, which is okay for now. I mean, you just need to be stable first, you need to be confident, you need to be sure of what exactly and how exactly you want to move forward. After that, if you address, it'll be great. So, this escaping energy is going to remain for a while, it seems. When it comes to emotional fulfillment, yes, there is a chance of new beginning. Since I was talking about emotions, there is a card that shows up that people have a lot of bottled up emotions within them. Okay, and this has been happening since a long time. This is slowing down your connection, your relationships, and your progress overall as a human being. Okay, so if you have a lot of things within you that you've not spoken to anybody about, please talk to someone about it. Okay, it's time. You cannot just sit with your aggression or grief or uh, sadness. Just don't sit with it, address it and let it pass. Don't hold on to it for a long time. The energy will force you to talk to somebody. I can clearly see that. The energy is showing that people will be able to see the black and white clearly now. Okay, that is one reason they are escaping. That is one reason they are in denial of what is the reality in the situation that they are in. Okay, overall the energy shows that it's a very beautiful time for everyone. The most positive card has come out for everybody. uh, okay, I also see that people will juggle between a lot of situations at the same time. All this is getting aligned, the escaping energy, the juggling energy. You need to open up. All these things will start getting addressed. Very good time to make money, very good time to move if you want to switch jobs or start something new in your career related to money. Okay, so overall the energy is positive, but you need to make sure that you don't sit with your emotions. You need to open up.